Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Once you're in your account, navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app and you click on it. Then you click on Install to select an account where you want to install in. And you click on Continue. Then you click on Allow and Install. A page is going to pop up where you have access to the custom menu link. Copy the custom menu link, head to your account and click on Settings. Once you've entered the settings, click on the custom menu links and click on Create New. Here you can give it an icon, attribute a name to it, paste your link, choose a sidebar preference, and you select an account where you want to install it. Then you give it a role-based visibility and you click Save. Once done creating a custom menu link, switch back to the account where you added it. Click on the custom menu link and the first interface of the app is going to pop up. Here our app has been connected. No worries, let's walk you through on that. Click on the manage icon and the second interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to the documentation. We have the smart queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that is going to show you the process on how to get the necessary credentials to set up your app. We have the app set up. It has been connected as you see. No worries. Let's walk you through how to connect your app. Click on Start Setup and insert your email. Then click on Complete Setup. And there you go. Your app has been successfully set up and connected. We have the support center where you'll be able to create a ticket and book a call with our support team. We have an interesting feature here, which is the changelog, and here is going to show you all the necessary new updates and changes made on this app. And to receive email, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email, then click on the subscribe button. There you go. You've learned how to install and set up your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.